Hi, this is Durga Prasad and my register number is GR15CS220. Today I am going to tell about my system software and compiler lab experiment, that is simulation of a microprocessor. So my aim is to write a program to simulate the functions of microprocessor. And so what is meant by a microprocessor? Microprocessor is a notational convenience for the programmer, and it allows the programmer to write a shorthand version of the program or like module programming. And the microprocessor replaces each macro invocation with the corresponding sequence of statements expanding the program. That is only the microprocessor will do. So microprocessor operations are like recognizing macro definitions, save the macro definition, recognize macro cells, expand the macro cells. So these four are the main works of the macroprocessor. So when we can use it, we can understand this properly. So here is that package program, a package I have created, and I have imported all the util functions, and the class name is ex3 microprocessor and whatever. So I have created three arrays with of size 50, and whatever the size of the code, it will ask you to enter the size of the code snippet. So it will be value will be taken by using n, and once the value is taken by n, the program have to be taken, so that system dot whatever the data I'm going to give, but that value will be taken using a for loop. And by using the for loop till the n value gets equal, the value, whatever the program I am going to type, that will be taken using this hyper for loop. And after that, the flag is initially initialized to 0, and by using the for loop, the value will of j is used to get the value to scan if there is any hash defined function in that code I have written. And if there is hash defined function, that values will be whatever the value after hash defined will be made it equal to whatever the, for example, like RAD equal to 3 means RAD will be taken over j plus 1, and 3 value will be taken over j plus 2, and finally the flag value will be incremented will be added up by 3. So then only the continue function will come. So if this program execute, continue will function will work, and then it will goes to hash include system dot something. So if there is any hash include function, that values will be automatically taken and will be printed over the screen, because there is no need to expand anything. And after that, expanded version have to be printed over here. So in order to get the expanded version, so int y equal to 0 while flag is not equal to n plus 1. That means if I am giving 5 lines as an input, and if flag value is equal to 5 plus 1 6, that means that there is an error. So that if there is no, if flag value is not equal to n plus 1, then this printing work start. And if flag dot equals c of y, that means array value will be matched, and if it is equal, then the values will be printed over here. And if not, the values will be printed directly from the flag itself with a space of matter. And flag value will be incremented to make it equal to whatever the value I have got from that hash defined part. So when we run it, we can easily understand how it is working. So I'm giving input as 5, and so here is I have given an input as hash define. I have it made it equal to radius is equal to 3, and after that I can see this here. So I made that radius value is equal to 3, and hash include stdio dot h. That is already again printed as it is, and radius value have to be replaced with 3, and it is done here. So radius value is replaced with 3 and the semicolon has gone to next line as a given another space over there. So this is how we can use a microprocessor operations using Java programming. So that we can implement it in compiler. We can implement or we can simulate how a compiler can code that program and expand that program using a microprocessor.